Smart Finance Moves, Insight from CS and IP. Revolutionize your investments, the power of AI. Welcome to the future of investing. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring how AI, artificial intelligence, is revolutionizing investment management. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, understanding AI's role in finance can significantly enhance your financial strategies. Let's dive into how AI is transforming your financial future, along with some limitations you need to be aware of. AI for the everyday investor. In today's era, AI is making complex investment strategies accessible to everyone. Picture having a personal financial advisor right at your fingertips thanks to AI-powered apps. These tools analyze market trends, deliver insights, and help manage your portfolio based on your financial goals. However, it's important to remember that these tools can sometimes lack the human touch or responsiveness needed during volatile market conditions. Navigating the current market landscape. AI's influence in today's market is undeniable. Top firms are using AI for data-driven decisions, optimizing portfolios, and minimizing risks. This technology streamlines operations and identifies market opportunities faster than ever. Yet, the rapid pace of financial data and AI's reliance on historical data can sometimes fail in unprecedented market situations, so it's important to balance AI insights with human judgment. Pros and cons of AI in finance. Let's weigh the pros and cons. AI provides incredible data analysis capabilities, offering insights that can greatly improve returns. On the downside, there's a risk of over-relying on automated systems, which can struggle with unexpected events or changes in regulatory landscapes. Privacy concerns also arise because AI systems require vast amounts of data to function effectively. Benefits for individuals and corporations. AI offers tailored advice and real-time portfolio updates for individuals, often at lower costs. Corporations benefit from AI by processing large datasets to optimize strategies and improve risk management. However, the initial setup and integration with existing systems can be costly and complex, requiring careful planning and resources. Decoding decision-making with AI. AI enhances decision-making by swiftly processing market data and providing real-time insights. This capability gives investors a competitive edge, guiding them through fast-paced environments. Nonetheless, the accuracy of AI-driven decisions depends heavily on the quality of the data and algorithms used, and sometimes they might not account for the nuanced understanding a human investor might provide. The precision of AI in forecasting. AI's precision in forecasting improves market trend predictions thanks to machine learning algorithms. However, AI is not infallible. Its forecasts can be skewed by poor data quality or algorithmic biases. It's crucial to use AI predictions as part of a broader strategy, complemented by human oversight and judgment. Embrace the future. In conclusion, AI is transforming investment management, providing tools that enhance efficiency and insights. While AI offers significant advantages, it also has limitations that require mindful integration into your strategy. By understanding both sides, you can make informed decisions that harness AI's full potential. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for ongoing updates and insights into AI and finance. Let us guide you toward a smarter financial future as you navigate the evolving landscape of investment management. Stay tuned for more empowering content.